We were engaged by Trobe University to upgrade the LED lighting throughout the campus. We had over 20 contractors on site at any one time, 3 project managers plus a logistics person in SLS that worked through the project with the university. It was a 6-month project. We installed over 23,000 LED light fittings and saved up to almost 3 million kilowatt hours in energy savings.
It's been the first big project that's helped us on our way towards net zero. This is a large campus. We have literally tens of thousands of lights across the campus. Being able to replace those lights with much more energy efficient light sources makes a huge contribution to our overall net zero target.
So typically the challenges for us in these type of projects are we have quite a dynamic environment. We have to work around a whole series of quite important stakeholders in the university, people undertaking research, people undertaking teaching. It's quite a big moving machine. So we needed a partner that could be quite responsive and quite dynamic to those changes and mindful of all the stakeholders that we had.
No, it's broken up into various stages. So basically what we do is we identify probably the highest energy consumption areas so that we can attack those first and get the immediate payback, not only from the sustainability aspect, but also from the commercial aspect as well. One of the features of the SLS turnkey solution is to provide a fully financed lighting solution that is paid for via energy savings and maintenance savings. It's one thing being able to provide sustainable lighting, but it's another thing being able to have it funded by savings.
So we're currently measuring the impact of the program through the La Trobe Energy Analytics Platform, or LEAP. We can see the impact both in terms of dollars and in terms of carbon reduction, and we're tracking that on a daily basis now. It's quite exciting to watch. We're also pleased about one of the other impacts that we've had is in terms of far better lighting for students, staff and for everybody else on campus, which has been a really good benefit. We're a little bit of a demanding client and we need to have somebody that's quite flexible and quite agile and quite responsive. We've changed a whole series of things inside of the project, and at every point SLS have been able to respond and do so quickly, and that's what we've needed to have. The world's a changing place, as everybody knows, and we were able to get this project done with a minimum of fuss.